Hey everyone, welcome to ITIL 4 Unplugged, where we break down ITIL concepts in a way that doesn't make you want to fall asleep. I'm Alex, and with me today is my co-host, Brian.
Hey, what's up, everyone? If you've ever had to deal with IT services, whether you're a techie or just someone who's been frustrated when your Wi-Fi goes down, then ITIL is for you.
Exactly. ITIL is like the GPS for its service management. It tells organizations how to deliver its services efficiently, while making sure customers like you and me don't end up screaming at their screens.
Today, we're kicking off with the key concepts of service management. Sounds fancy, right? But don't worry, we'll keep it real with everyday examples. Okay, imagine you're at a coffee shop. You want a caramel macchiato, extra hot, because you like to live on the edge. The barista takes your order, makes your coffee, and hands it to you.
Boom. That's a service. The coffee shop provides you with something you value, a delicious caffeine, without you having to grow your own coffee beans, roast them, and figure out how to froth milk like a pro.
Exactly. In ITIL terms, a service is a means of enabling value co-creation by facilitating outcomes that customers want to achieve without them having to manage specific costs and risks.
In plain English, services let you get what you need without dealing with the behind-the-scenes hassle.
So now that we know what a service is, let's talk about service management. Basically, service management is like being the manager of that coffee shop. You make sure customers get their coffee, baristas have what they need, the coffee machine works, and no one burns down the place.
Yep, and in it's the same thing. Its service management, or ITSM, is about making sure its services like email, cloud storage, or your favorite video streaming app are always up and running smoothly.
Because let's be honest, when Netflix buffers in the middle of a show, it feels like the end of the world.
Right? And that's why ITSM exists, to prevent those frustrating moments. ITIL helps organizations manage their IT services efficiently, keeping both customers and businesses happy.
All right, so who's involved in making sure services work? Let's break it down.
First, we've got the customer. That's the person who defines what they need. In our coffee shop example, that's you ordering your caramel macchiato.
Then we have the user, the person actually using the service. Sometimes the customer and the user are the same, but not always.
Think about a company that buys software for its employees. The customer is the business decision maker who pays for the software, but the users are the employees who use it every day.
Next, we have the sponsor, the person who approves the budget. In our coffee shop, this could be your generous friend who always picks up the tab. In a company, it's usually a manager or executive who funds the service.
Okay, here's where ITIL gets a little nerdy, but stick with us. Two key terms, utility and warranty.
Let's go back to our coffee shop. You walk in, order a coffee, and take a sip. Now, if the coffee is strong, hot, and exactly what you wanted, that's utility. It's fit for purpose.
But if the coffee shop always runs out of caramel syrup, the machine is broken half the time, or the Wi-Fi crashes while you're trying to work, then it's not fit for use. That's where warranty comes in.
So in IT, utility is about what the service does, while warranty is about how well it does it, like availability, performance, security, and reliability.
And trust me, you want both. A cloud storage service that lets you save files, utility is great. But if it crashes every other day, bad warranty, you're going to be looking for alternatives real quick. Okay, now the big one, how do services create value?
Think about this. If a coffee shop exists, but no one buys coffee, is it valuable?
Nope. Value isn't just about providing something. It is about whether people actually find it useful.
In IT, value is the benefit people get from a service. Let's say a company uses a project management application. If it helps teams collaborate better, that's value. If it is too complicated and no one uses it, no value, even if it's well designed.
That's why its services must align with what users actually need. A service that is expensive but unused is like a gym membership you never use, a waste of money.
Services should always create tangible benefits for users, whether that's saving time, reducing costs, or improving security. That's how ITIL keeps businesses running efficiently.
All right, we've covered a lot today. What a service is, how its service management works, the key players, utility and warranty. And finally, how services create value.
And why should you care? Because understanding ITIL makes IT services better, less downtime, happier users, and more efficient businesses.
Plus, if you're prepping for the ITIL 4 exam, trust me, this stuff will be on the test.
But don't stress. We'll keep breaking it down for you. Next episode, we're diving into the 7 guiding principles, aka the golden rules for making IT services work smarter, not harder.
So hit subscribe, share this with your buddies, and remember, good service management is like good coffee. Simple, smooth, and exactly what you need.
Catch you next time on ITIL 4 Unplugged.